It's been 2 weeks now that I've had construction men pretty much living off my bathroom. I've just come back from my 7-hour work trip in Manchester, so that's a 14-hour journey day. But when I tell you nothing will stop me from getting this clean, I mean nothing will. It appears they didn't make use of any of my products, which I'm grateful for, but let's just say they use a lot of Dove soap. It leads me to question, surely a Dove soap is not enough to get your clean on, but honestly, that's another question for another day. In case you're wondering why the construction workers have been sleeping over for the last 2 weeks, it is actually my dad's construction business. The renovations recently have been so intense, what usually takes them 3 months, they've completed in 2 weeks. And the only way they've been able to do this is by living here and waking up at crazy hours and finishing crazy hours too. It's actually crazy looking back because the hair build up, the limescale build up is probably like none I've ever seen before. And this was the part I did not expect. They left their boxers right behind my door. That was something I truly was not expecting. And of course they went straight in the bin because there's no way